Okay, you know from the video title what this is, so now it's time to open it. These are the tools that I'm going to use first off to start opening this. I do have a drill here with a Phillips bit in it. I have a pry bar, crowbar here, and then also a hammer. So let's see what it's going to take to get this open. On all four corners of this, there are these little brackets here that has Phillips head screws in them. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, remove those. Now it looks like there's several staples and even nails in this, so I don't know any better way than to just start prying on it. I see something. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like with everything down in it here. So yeah, now we just need to try to get another one of the sides off, at least one of them, so we can start pulling this stuff out. There it is. Everything is wrapped in this plastic, so we're going to start unwrapping some of it. The first box we have loose here is the exhaust fan, and it looks like some of the hoses. So we're going to set this aside. So I went ahead and took the rest of the crate off of this just so we can kind of get to it a little bit easier. There is a band here that is on this that you will need to cut, and I recommend using something like these lineman pliers or something like that. That way we can cut this. So this is the Thunder Laser Aurora 8. This is the 20-watt fiber machine. So yeah, you can see kind of how big it is here. Let me go ahead and twist it around. So now you can see how the front of it looks here. So now we just have to get this up on a table. We purchased one of the Husky tables, the ones that kind of raise up and down, so we can use this on it. We're not sure exactly yet how it's going to work. Before we go moving this, the door slides up on this. And whenever you slide it up, you will see a bag in here that has all the accessories and everything. So just make sure that you're aware that the bag is inside the laser.
Come back a little bit more on this side. Okay.
So, I got the help from my son. My wife held the table so we could get this on here. Now this just fits this direction. On one of these Husky tables, we did get the table from Home Depot, and because it has drawers here in the front, and then you can also raise and lower this depending on the height that you want it. So we were worried about how it would fit, but with the feet on the bottom of the Aurora here, it just fits. It gives you something about maybe 3/4 of an inch, the front of the feet, and then also at the back of the feet. So it's a pretty tight fit, but I think it'll work like this right here. And we did kind of center it on the table just because I think it'll work better. So that's the unboxing process. There's really not a lot to it. Just have to make sure that you have some tools on hand that you can get this out of the crate with, and then have some help so that you can lift this up onto a table. Now with this, like I said, we did get this bag full of goodies here. Here's the power cable, along with some Allen keys, some other accessories and stuff that we'll need, even some cleaning accessories down in here. And then of course over here we have our exhaust fan with the exhaust tubes. You have the connectors, and then a little booklet that goes with that exhaust fan. So that is pretty much everything that you get with this. As you can see how it raises and lowers here. I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm anxious to do the setup video next. I wanted to break these up. That way you could see the unboxing process. I do want to say thanks to Thunder Laser for sending me this laser. That way I could make some videos about it and share my learning experience with this with you. Stay tuned for the setup video, and then we'll start learning how to use this thing. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.